In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in your TikTok account on another device. So for us to get this done, what we are going to do is just tap on this three vertical lines, click the settings and privacy, and then we're going to scroll down. We're just going to go ahead and click the logout button right here and then click logout once again. Now, after doing that one, what you're going to do is head over to your new device and say, for example, in my case, this iOS device that I have with me, what you're going to do is go to the login page. So you should be able to see these different options. So log into TikTok, go ahead and choose how you'd want to do that one. In my case, I'm just going to continue with Facebook because it is going to be much easier. So I'm going to click that over there and then tap the continue button right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and authorize this one by clicking the open button. And then I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And there you go. As you can see, we have now successfully logged in our TikTok account on this device of ours. That, everybody, is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.